Today we are going to discuss some of the important objectives of the inventory management. But before discussing the important objectives of inventory management, let's define what the inventory management is. Inventory management is a method of organizing, storing and utilizing inventories. Raw materials, component and complicated goods are stockpiled in our business together with the storage and processing of these things. So this is the main definition of inventory management. Now let's discuss the objectives of inventory management. So in my opinion, the main objective of an inventory management is making the inventory available when it is required most efficiently. So let's see what are the other objectives or the objectives which are related to this objectives of the inventory management are. So these are some of the objectives to achieve the main objective of inventory management. So number one is keeping the inventory or material available. Then helping or supporting the customer service. Then keeping the waste and the losses of inventory at a minimum level. Then maintaining sufficient inventory and having cost effective storage. And the last but not the least is the supporting to maximize the or optimize the sales of the business. So these are the few of the objectives of inventory management which we are going to see one by one briefly. So the first objective is the material availability. So the primary goal of inventory management is to ensure that all kinds of materials are available and accessible when they are required. So this is the primary or the main objective of the inventory management is. Then the next objective of inventory management is to improvise or provide the better level of customer service. So through maintaining an adequate supply of inventory to guarantee a high level of customer service by fulfilling the customer's order at the right time. So inventory management helps to improve our customer service by fulfilling the order at the right or the required time. This objective of inventory management is to keep the wastage and the losses to a minimum level. So inventory management also attempts to minimize the inventory wastage at all stages, such as during storage in godowns or during the production in the plant. So this is another objective of keeping the inventory protected. So this is another very important and crucial objective of inventory management is that to maintain and make sure that we have enough necessary inventory on hand to meet clients' demand without having to cut the corners and no running out of the raw material or product at any time when it is required. So this is called maintaining of sufficient stock. So since we already talked about the cost effectiveness of the inventory management objectives, so we have to eliminate the possibility of keeping extra stock or thus eliminating the needless storage expenses and also the carrying cost of that inventory. So this is the objective related to our cost effectiveness. So last but not the least is the optimizing our sale through our better inventory management systems. So additionally, inventory management may support to optimizing the sales, which is one of the most essential and crucial objective of the every business. So how we do that? By understanding the present condition as well as making future assumption. From the analysis are two key elements in making a successful prediction. So you can identify things that move at slow rate or remove them. So by having a good idea of inventory, we can improve our sales and also cut the cost at every stage. So these are the briefly few of the objectives of a good inventory management system. So if you have any questions or you need any further information, please let me know, so I will be glad to explain to that. Thank you.